Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about a last-minute adventure. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Tony and Diana. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What food did Tony and Diana try first? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video.
I am so bored tonight. There is nothing to do. Wait, I just got a text message. It is from Diana. She wants to know if I am busy. I will tell her I am free. I need some fun.
Hi, Tony. I am so glad you came out to meet me.
Me too. I was almost asleep on my sofa.
Let's go to the night market. It is very lively tonight.
That sounds like a great idea. I love the night market.
Look at all these bright neon signs. The city is so colorful.
Everything looks so much better at night than during the day.
Can you smell that? It is the smell of fresh food.
I am actually getting very hungry now. What should we eat?
Let's try these spicy tacos first. They look delicious.
2 spicy tacos, please. Thank you very much.
Wow, these are amazing. Spices make everything better.
You are right. This spontaneous plan is the best choice I made today.
See? Adventure is everywhere if you just say yes.
Where should we go next? The night is still young.
Let's walk by the river. It is very peaceful there.
The river looks beautiful when it reflects the moon and the stars.
Wait, someone is playing a guitar over there.
He is a very good musician. The music is so relaxing.
I love live music. It makes the night feel like a movie.
I agree. Music makes every moment feel more special.
Do you like cold desserts, Tony?
I always have room for ice cream. Let's find some.
Look, they have chocolate and mint flavors.
I will have 1 large chocolate cone, please.
And I would like a mint cone, please. Thank you.
This is so cold and sweet. It's perfect for a walk.
The sky is so clear. Can you see the stars?
Yes, I can see 3 or 4 very bright stars tonight.
I am really glad we didn't just stay at home.
I was just sitting on my sofa doing nothing before you texted.
And now you are exploring the city and eating ice cream.
This is much better than watching television by myself.
Hey, let's take a funny photo together.
Okay, let's make some really silly faces.
1, 2, 3. Look at the camera.
Wow, we look very silly. My eyes look huge.
It is a great memory of our spontaneous adventure.
It is getting quite late now. The streets are quieter.
You are right. It is almost midnight already.
Thank you for texting me tonight, Diana. I had a great time.
And thank you for coming with me. It was fun.
I learned that saying yes to new things is very important.
Life is much more exciting when you have surprises.
My bus is here. Have a good night, Diana.
Good night, Tony. I will see you at school on Monday.
I think I will sleep very well after all this walking.
What a wonderful and unexpected Saturday night.
I am so happy I decided to go out.
I should try to be spontaneous more often.
Home sweet home. That was a real adventure.
Good night, world. Today was a good day.
Good night. I am ready for the next adventure.
What food did Tony and Diana try first? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.